From First Track Weather, this is your latest weather forecast. Here's Dalton Atkins.
One of the final days of nice weather was today, with highs in the low 60s out there, and that's all going to be changing as we head over the next few days. As over the weekend, we're going to be dropping below freezing on some nights with daytime highs, only making it into the low 50s. And what's causing all that? All that rain out there and the cold fronts pushing through the area, that's going to be doing the majority of the work for us, dropping us back, like I said, into the low 30s in some locations. Out there right now, though, on StormView HD, currently overdoing a little bit with the majority of the rain, most of it not even making it to the ground. But some of these patches here and central Davis County, also some here in Henderson, along the southern portion, they're actually hitting the ground as well. But a lot of this is overdone from the computer not being actually tuned down to the fine level there of picking out that rain. So the majority of this not making it to the ground, but if you do plan to head out tonight, 50% chance there of you possibly having some rain interfere with your plans outdoors tonight. Temperature-wise, we're pretty much all falling through the 50s at this hour. Some of us are still hanging out in the upper 60s at some locations. And you can see that sharp gradient there of temperatures up and below, or up in the 50s here, and then you drop back into the 40s as you head off towards the north and west. You see St. Louis currently sitting at 43 degrees, while Evansville currently sitting at 59 degrees, and portions like Madisonville still at 61. So a wide range of temperatures across the area tonight, and those will only continue to fall as we get to the overnight hour tonight. And then here over the next few hours, we'll actually track this rain out for you, starting out with First Track predicted here at 8 o'clock, so an hour from now, if this forecast does get posted at 7 o'clock, so an hour out. Rain starting to engulf the entire area, even starting to push in through the portions of the area. Still believe it's doing it a little bit overdone here. Probably some breaking spots here and there inside of this, but overnight tonight, the possibility of precipitation throughout the tri-state by 9 o'clock, showing a little bit of possibly some clearing patches there right along the Ohio River there in the Evansville metro area. Stronger bands of rain as you head off back towards the west, and those will continue to advance our way. And you see here by 10 o'clock starting to show some yellows there. So a rumble of thunder can't be ruled out tonight, although just expecting this to mainly be a rain event overnight tonight. 11 o'clock still showing a few stronger rain cells and bands starting to push into the metro area. You can see by 1 o'clock starting to see some clearing here in the western Kentucky areas off into the east, including E-Town, right through down Owensboro as well. So some clearing off to the east tonight. It's just going to be how far south and east that's going to come. And then you can see by 3 o'clock starts to push some of that back this way with some heavier rain starting to move into the Evansville metro area once again. 3 o'clock tomorrow morning, or 8 o'clock rather. First Track predictor trying to throw some snow in here, although I believe tomorrow we'll wake up with temperatures right around 40 degrees or a little bit cooler than that. So I don't believe that's going to actually be a concern. If it would all melt before it actually touches the ground. And the main concern for any snow flurries would be Saturday night into Sunday. Once again, that's going to be all up in the atmosphere, and once it actually reaches the ground, the majority of that will be melted, and once it does actually make contact, if it makes it that far, would automatically melt anyway. Otherwise, First Track predictor at 8 o'clock, still showing some rain, finally giving us a break around the lunchtime hour to 1 o'clock. And then another wave tries to make its way through the area tomorrow afternoon, which could bring in the chance for a few flurries tomorrow night into Sunday. But overnight tonight, calling at 37 degrees here in Owensboro. Some scattered showers possible. That's about a 50% chance hit or miss situation. Winds out of the north-northeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And then tomorrow highs only in the low 50s, a 10-degree shift from today with scattered showers out there, a 60% chance of a hit or miss shower. And then winds out of the north at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And as we head over the next 7 days, we are continuing to drop the temperatures down, and a breezy 44 on Sunday with a 40% or a 30% chance of showers. That diminishes as we head to the beginning of next week, as we will slightly rebound into the upper 50s Monday and Tuesday, and up to 57 on Wednesday as well, up to the mid-60s for Thursday. But just in time for those warmer temperatures, a cold front makes its way back to the area on Friday, bringing along windy conditions and even possibly a few rumbles of thunder in the forecast.